Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study Standard 10th Math first chapter, Linear Equation in Two Variables. In this unit is Practice Set 1.2 Examples. Let's see first example. Complete the following table to draw a graph of equation x plus y is equal to 3 and second x minus y is equal to 4. Here activity is there, here table is given. Then first you can write the given equation and convert this equation, that is y is equal to 3 minus x. Or every time if you will not convert this, then also we will get the answer. But if you will convert the given equation in the form of y is equal to something, means to the LHS side only y will be there, then it is easy to find the values. Now here if you will substitute value of x is 3 here, then 3 minus 3 will be 0. Again points are given 3 0, already value of y is here 0. Here value of y is given 5, then we will get the value of x is minus 2. Directly also if you can simplify this, here plus 5 will get here minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Therefore value of x is minus 2. Therefore the coordinates of the points are minus 2 minus 5. Here value of y is given 3. Here 3. If you transfer here, it will become, then value of x is 0, already given here. Therefore value of x is 0 and point is also given. Now second equation is x minus y is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to 4 minus x. In this way you can write down. Then substitute that value y is equal to 0 in the given equation, that is y is equal to x minus 4. Value of y is 0. Value of y is 0. Then we will get the value of x is 4. Or you can directly write the value of y here 0. Then 0 will become here, x plus 0 is 0. Therefore the coordinates of the points are 4 0. Here value of x is minus 1 given. Substitute this value in this equation. Therefore y is equal to minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Write this value here. Then the coordinates of the points are minus 1 minus 5. In this way you can complete the activity. Second example of practice set is solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. First equation is x plus y is equal to 6 and second equation is x minus y is equal to 4. Here these two equations are given. So prepare the table for both the equations. For that first write down the given equation, then prepare a table of this. You can keep as it is or convert the given equation in the form of y is equal to 6 minus x, or directly you can substitute the values of x and y in this equation. Here in table to the left side, x, value of x, value of y and the coordinates x, y, write down in this way. If we will take x is equal to 1, then write this value in the table and the substitute x is equal to 1 in the given equation x plus y is equal to 6, that is 1 plus y is equal to 6. If we simplify this, then we will get the value of y is 5. Write this value in the table and write the coordinates of the points, that is 1 5. Second, if you take x is equal to 2, write this value in the table, then substitute this value in the given equation, that is x plus y is equal to 6. If we simplify this, then we will get value of y is 4. Write this value of y 4 in the table and write the coordinates. Next, if you will take x is equal to 3, value of x is 3, write this value in the table and substitute this value in the equation x plus y is equal to 6. We will get the value of y is 3. Write this value in the table and write the coordinates of that point. Next, if you will take value of x is 0, write this value in the table and put this value in the given equation x plus y is equal to 6, we will get the value of y is 6. Write this value in the table and write the coordinates of the points. Similarly, we can complete the table of second equation, that is x minus y is equal to 4. In this table also, every time you can write given equation at the top, then x and y at the left side, and take any value of x. Here we will take value of x is 1. Write this value in the table and substitute in the equation x minus y is equal to 4 and simplify it. We will get value of y is minus 3. Write this value in the table. Write the coordinates of the points. Next we will take value of x is 2. Then write this value in the table. Substitute this value in the given equation, that is 2 minus y is equal to 4. Simplify this. We will get value of y is minus 2. Write this value in the table and write the coordinates. Same way, if you take value of x is 3, write this value in the table and simplify. After substituting, we will get the value of y is minus 1. Write this value in the table. In this way, you can complete the table by taking the different values of the x. Here next x is equal to minus 1 is taken. If you simplify this, then we will get the value of y is minus 5. Write this value in the table, and by using these two tables we will plot the graph on a graph paper. Here tables are taken. By using these tables we will plot the graph. For that, on graph paper, draw x-axis and y-axis, write scale on it, and then plot the points. Here first point is 1, 5. That will become in first quadrant, 1, 5 here. Second point is 2, 4. This is also will come in first quadrant. Third point will be, means here these 3 points will become in first quadrant. And last point is 0, 6. That point will become on y-axis. From this point, draw a line passing through it and write the equation of given line. Same way, plot the points of equation x minus y is equal to 4. First point is 1 minus 3. That point will become here. Second point is 2 minus 2. Like this way you can plot 3 minus 1 and minus 1 minus 5. And from these points, draw a line. This is the graph of x minus y is equal to 4. These two lines intersect at 5, 1, and this is the solution of given equation. Therefore, the solution of given equation is xy is equal to 5, 1. In this way, we can solve the given simultaneous equation by graphical method. Second example of this is x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. Here first prepare a table of first equation x plus y is equal to 5 and write xy and the coordinates of the points at last. Here I am not doing calculation. How to do calculations we will see in the first two examples. Now here I am directly taking the value of x is 0. If we substitute in this, then value of y is 5 and the coordinates are 0, 5. If you will take x is equal to 2, then 2 plus 3 is 5. Therefore 3 will be come. The coordinates are 2, 3. Next, if you will take value of x is 3, simplify it. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then value of y is 2. Therefore the coordinates of the points are 3, 2. If you will take value of x is minus 1, here minus 1 it will be transfer, here it will become plus 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 is 6. Therefore minus 1, 6 is the coordinates of the points. Similarly, you can draw the table of equation x minus y is equal to 3. Here if you will take value of x is 1, substitute this value of x is 1 here, this 1 will become here minus 1, 3 minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2 minus y, therefore y is equal to minus 2. The points are 1 minus 3. If you will take x is equal to 2, simplify, then we will get value of y is minus 1, coordinates of the points are 2 minus 1. Next, if you will take value of x is 0, then after simplification we will get the value of y is minus 3. The coordinates of the points are 0, minus 3. At last, if you will take minus 1 is the value of x, then after simplification we will get the value of y is minus 4. Minus 1, minus 4 are the coordinates of the given points. Then by using these two tables, plot a graph of given lines. For that, on graph paper, draw x-axis, y-axis and write the scale. Here first point is 0, 5. That point will come on y-axis. Second point is 2, 3, which will become in first quadrant. Next point is 3, 2. This is also in first quadrant. And the last point minus 1, 6 in the second quadrant. If we will draw the line passing through it, this is the graph of equation x plus y is equal to 5. Similarly, we will plot 1 minus 3 of second equation, then 2 minus 1, 0 minus 3 and minus 1 minus 4. Again draw the line passing through it, and this is the graph of equation x minus y is equal to 3. These two graphs or lines intersect at point 4, 1. Therefore, 4, 1 is the solution of given equation. Therefore, the solution of given equation is xy is equal to 4, 1. Here fourth example is 3x minus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. Here in this example, 3x minus y is equal to 2. We will convert both the equation in the form of y is equal to something. Okay, therefore first 3x minus y is equal to 2. That is minus y is equal to 2 minus 3x. Change the signs of all terms or multiply by minus 1. We will get y is equal to 3x minus 2. Now we will prepare the table of this given equation 3x minus y is equal to 2. For that, draw a table, write the given equation. On this same way, write x, y and xy. Now here we will take value of x is 1. Write this value in the table and substitute the value of x in the given equation, which is converted into y is equal to something. We will get value of y is 2. Write this value in the table and write the coordinates of the points, that is 1, 2. Next, take value of x is 2. Then substitute this value in the given equation. Simplify it. We will get the value of y is 4. Write this value of y is 4 in the table. The coordinates of the points are 2, 4. Next, take value of x is minus 1. Write this value in the table, minus 1, and substitute this x is equal to minus 1 in the given equation. Then we will get the value of y is minus 5. Write this value in the table and we will get the coordinates of the points minus 1, minus 5. At last, take x is equal to 0. Every time, first write the given value in the table, then substitute in the given equation. After simplification, we will get the value of y. Write that value in the table. We will get the coordinates of the points. Same way, we will complete the second table also. First, convert this equation in the form of y is equal to something, and then prepare the table for simplification. This is a table. This table is of which equation? Write down that equation. At the left side, in this way, write down x, y and coordinates x, y. Here take value of x is equal to 1. In this way you can complete the table. Now by using this table we will plot the graph of given lines. Again here these two tables are there, and by using these tables plot a graph on graph paper, x-axis, y-axis, write the scale, then first point 1, 2, second point 2, 4, and third point -1, -5, and last point will become on y-axis. On this same, draw the line passing through it, and this is a graph of equation 3x minus y is equal to 2. Similarly, we will plot the second line graph on the graph paper in this way and draw the line passing through it. This is the graph of 2x minus y is equal to 3. The intersection point of both the line is -1, -5, which is the solution of given equation. Therefore, at last write down the solution of the given equation is xy is equal to -1, -5. Last example of this exercise is 3x minus 4y is equal to -7 and 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Solve this simultaneous equation by graphical method. For that, here prepare a table. Before preparing the table, every time convert this equation into y is equal to something, because for calculation it is very easy. Otherwise your values will be wrong. Therefore write the given equation and try to convert this in the form of y is equal to something. Here this 4 is multiplied to y, which will be divided to both. Now it is very easy to complete the table. For that, draw the table, write their equation and x, y and xy coordinates. Here we will take value of x is 1. Write this value in the table and substitute this value of x in the given equation. We will get the value of y is 2.5. Write this value in the table and write the coordinates of the given points. Next, if you take value of x is 2, if we simplify this after substituting the value of x is equal to 2 in the given equation, then we will get the value of y is 3.25. Write this value in the table and write the coordinates of the points. Similarly, take the value of x is -1. If we substitute this value in the given equation, then we will get the value of y is 1. Therefore, the coordinates of the points are -1, 1. Similarly, if you take value of x is -2, then simplify like this way, then we will get the value of y is 0.25. Similarly, we will complete the table of second equation, that is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. First convert this equation in the form of y is equal to, means left side only y will be there. Therefore, y is equal to 5x upon 2. Then draw the table, write this table is of which equation, then values of x and y, then values of the coordinates. Now here if you take x is equal to 1, same way write this value in the table, substitute this value in this equation, then we will get the value of y is 2.5. Write this value in the table. In this way you can complete this second table also. Now we will plot the graph of both the equations. For that, here tables are written. First on graph, draw x-axis, y-axis, write scale every time, then plot the given points of equation 3x minus 4y is equal to -7. These points are represented here. Draw a line passing through it, and this is a line of equation 3x minus 4y is equal to -7. Similarly, you can plot the points of equation 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. These points will be come like this way. Through this point, draw a line passing through it. And this is the graph of 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. These 2 points, these 2 graphs intersect at point 1 and 2.5, and this is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Therefore, the solution of given simultaneous equation is xy is equal to 1 and 2.5.